In this video, we'll talk about the benefits of planking every day, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. You'll improve core definition and performance. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles exactly because they engage all major core muscle groups including the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, the external oblique muscle, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, for all of these groups serve their own purpose. Number 2. You'll decrease your risk of injury in the back and spinal column. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. According to the American Council on Exercise, doing planks regularly not only significantly reduces back pain but it also strengthens your muscles and ensures strong support for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. Number 3. You'll experience an increased boost to your overall metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy even when sedentary. This is especially important if you are spending the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Also, making it a daily 1 to 10 minute home exercise before or after work will not only provide an enhanced metabolic rate but it will also ensure that that metabolic rate remains high all day long. Number 4. You'll significantly improve your posture. Planking exercises have a great impact and improvement on your posture. This is great news as a strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. A good posture keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained and more healthy, but also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. A good posture will ensure your back or spine is in the correct position, and so you will suffer less back pain. On top of everything, someone with good posture looks better, healthier, and more confident. Number 5. You'll improve your overall balance. Have you ever felt that when you tried standing on one leg, you couldn't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you were drunk unless you happened to be at the time. But rather, it's because your abdominal muscles weren't strong enough to give you the balance you needed. Through improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extensions, you will boost your performance in every kind of sporting activity. Number 6. You'll become more flexible than ever before. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, for this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, arches of your feet, and toes. With a side plank added into the mix, you can also work on your oblique muscles. This will provide you with further benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a movement that is crucial for supporting your body's weight. Number 7. You'll witness mental benefits. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. How? Well, they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. Just think about it, you are sitting in your chair, at home or at work, all day long, your thigh muscles get tight, your legs get heavy due to being bent for several hours, and tension develops in your shoulders due to being forced to slump forward all day. These are all circumstances that put stress on the muscles and nerves. The good news is that planks not only calm your brain, but they can also treat anxiety and symptoms of depression, but only if you make it part of your daily routine. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.